Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find this integration. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sin x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have cosx dx. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 gone here, and u equals to number 0. When s equals to b over 2, so I will put this one gone here, and we got about u equals to number 1. Number 0 we keep the same, b over 2 we change for number 1. Sin x we change for u. Cosine x dx we change for du. Next, we can use about integration by hyperbolic substitution. So I will put about u equals to sin t. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have cos t dt. Now we need to change the bounds. When u equals to number 0, t equals to number 0. When u equals to number 1, we can find about t. That is about option of number 1. Because if we put number 1 in here, we can use about the option, so we can find the value of t. And this one also about ln of 1 plus the square root of number 2. So number 0 we keep the same, number 1 we change for this one. U that is about sin t. Du that is about this one. So 1 plus sin t square that is about cos t square. The square root of cos t square that is about cos t. And now we simplify it, and you got about dt. The integration of dt that is about t, and we put the bounds from 0 to this one. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.